Hello colleagues, my name is Natalya Kuznetsova and I am the Project Director of the Pharmaceutical Manufacturing and Packaging Congress. In April 2026 we will host the 6th edition of PHARMAP, an exclusive closed-door congress that has become one of Europe's key meeting points for professionals in pharmaceutical manufacturing and packaging. Each year, PHARMAP brings together over 300 decision-makers representing pharmaceutical companies, contract manufacturing organizations, and also the leading service providers from across the whole value chain. Across two focus days, participants will engage in case study presentations, roundtables, panel discussions, and B2B meetings, creating a practical environment for sharing experience, discussing challenges and identifying new business opportunities. I invite you to join us on 21st of April 2026 in Amsterdam, the Netherlands, and become the part of the PHARMAP community. I look forward to welcome you at PHARMAP 2026 this year.